This is a really brief video here about Memo Lift, a Memo Lift product called Memo Lift. It's a capsules product, supplement product, and there's marketing out there from someone, I'm not saying it's the people who make Memo Lift, someone claiming that it's FDA approved, and it's not. They claim that different doctors have backed it. Dr. Peter Attia, Dr. Oz, Dr. Phil, Dr. Jennifer Ashton, who's another one? Dr. Sanjay Gupta, whoever. And no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed Memo Lift capsules, Memo Lift supplements. Do not think that they did, ever. And there are other claims that it's going to help you reverse Alzheimer's, reverse dementia, and that one of those doctors I just mentioned has a cure having to do with honey or some common kitchen or household ingredient, a pantry ingredient. And it's not true. There is no recipe. This is a scam marketing attempt claiming that you're going to be able to reverse Alzheimer's, dementia, memory loss, brain fog, cognitive function, and it's going to be amazing. And it has a 9.3 out of 10 review score with 42,534 reviews. It's all lies. It's probably going to come with a subscription charge of hundreds of dollars a month on the back end if you go through a scam funnel to a scam checkout page. The real product, if there is a real product, does not have any legitimacy in terms of being a miracle product to do anything with memory and brain function. This is one of many products, Memo Lift right now, that might just exist as a standard cognitive support formula. And maybe the people behind it don't ever actually say in their legitimate marketing that this has miracle properties. And it's just scammers and affiliate marketers using their product name in ways that are unauthorized. Sure, whatever. But this is not something you should buy. Go and speak to a doctor. Do not trust any products online that claim they're going to have miracle properties to reverse cognitive function, Alzheimer's, dementia, and it has to do with a honey recipe or Dr. Sanjay Gupta, Dr. Peter Attia, Dr. Oz, Dr. Phil, Dr. Jennifer Ashton, Dr. Eric Berg, Dr. William Lee, whoever. All of this is scammy. A lot of it coming from Brazil. Memo Lift supplements, Memo Lift for Alzheimer's, Memo Lift for dementia has no backing from anyone credible, no clinical trials, nothing that could help you be like, okay, maybe I trust this. I hope that I've been clear. I've looked at a lot of these scams. My name is Jordan Liles. I'm a senior reporter for the fact-checking website Snopes.com. And this is my personal YouTube channel where I come to on nights and weekends to help keep people away from scams, especially these Alzheimer's and dementia reversal scams that have zero legitimacy. Go see a doctor. Don't fall for the stuff presented to you on your screens, on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet. People are trying to do anything they can to influence you to give away your money. Don't let them have it. Thank you for watching, and like this video. Liking, commenting, and subscribing. Liking is, you can only do that if you want to. Those things are very helpful. Like this video, please, to help it get out there. Thank you for watching.